Hey, good morning, Pirate fans. We're back here at the Pirate Garage. A little more work today on the 63 Chevrolet, which incidentally, we name all of our vehicles, and we named this one Patsy Cline. The great country singer Patsy Cline was killed in an aircraft accident in 1963. So, like all our vehicles here that have names, this one is now known as Patsy. Took it for a ride the other day, and we had no suspension relief in the rear end at all. So I went and picked up some shocks at the local friendly auto parts store, and I was pretty surprised what we found. These are the coilover shocks that were on the truck, and as you can see, somebody's taken a hot wrench to them and reduced the amount of spring that they had. And also, there's a problem with the shock. It's apparently not absorbing. So anyway, if you can get a load of that and see the cuts, we've replaced them with some fancy Monroes. Actually not fancy, basically your inexpensive Monroe shock. And hopefully we'll have a better ride quality. I didn't do any of the filming of the actual replacement because it was pretty boring. Essentially a jack stand, 4 bolts, 2 on each side, a little lubricant to ease up the rusty bolts, and she came right off. But anyway, I wanted to just show these shocks because if you're interested in having a nice ride look and you want your vehicle to be sharp looking and just looking for that ride height you want, don't do it this way. There's other ways to do it. They're not terribly expensive, and if you can afford to have an acetylene torch, you can probably afford to do it the right way. Anyway, that's all for today. We'll catch you next time. See ya.